Best wishes, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss about the relation between mass and weight, difference between mass and weight. Generally, in our previous lessons, we studied about mass, which is directly proportional to the inertia. So when mass of an object is greater, that time the inertia also greater. You know that very well. Mass of the object is denoted by the letter small m. Mass of the object is denoted by the letter small m. The unit of mass is nothing but kilogram. This is the symbol for that. The unit of mass is kilogram. It is a scalar quantity because that has only magnitude. So that's why that is a scalar quantity. It is a constant one. Mass of the object is a constant one. If we check the mass of an object on the earth or on the moon or in Jupiter or in anywhere in the space, that remains the constant, that is not a variable one. So mass of an object is a constant one. If I say mass of an object on the earth is 30 kilogram, the mass of the object on moon or in Jupiter or in space, that is remains the same, that is 30 kilogram only. So you remember that the mass of the object is always remains a constant. Next, weight of the object. Weight of the object is denoted by the letter W. And the unit of weight is nothing but Newton because it is a form of force. Weight it is a type of force. So force ke enna unit o adhe unit na weight ku. So weight oda unit is nothing but Newton. It is a vector quantity that has both direction as well as magnitude. So it is a vector quantity. What is the formula for weight means? That is equal to m into g. I will tell you how that formula become m into g in the next topic. That is a variable one. Why we are telling that is a variable one? See, W is equal to m into g. Here m is a constant, but weight is directly proportional to acceleration due to gravity. That acceleration due to gravity is a variable one. On earth, the value is 9.8 meter per second square. But that value is different in moon, in Jupiter and different places. So one thing you must remember, if g value changes, that time the weight of the object also will be different. Okay. So now we'll see what is the relation between mass and weight. First we should know what is meant by weight. Weight means it is nothing but the force with which an object is attracted towards the earth. That is the gravitational force acting on the object and that attracts that object towards the earth. No? That force is said to be W. What is W here? That is weight of the object. So weight of the object is nothing but the force with which an object is attracted towards the earth. So F is equal to m into A. Gravitational force is equal to mass of the object and the acceleration acting on that object. That acceleration is written as g and that force is written as weight. So weight is equal to m into g. This only I wrote here. So what is the relation between weight and mass means? W is equal to m into g. So mass g என்ற value ஆல multiply பண்ணா கிடைக்கிறது தான் W. So what is W here? It is weight of the object. So see here. இப்போ நம்ம weight of the object on the earth and on the moon அப்படின்னு நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ணும்போது இதுக்கு என்ன ஃபார்முலா அப்படின்னு பார்த்தா according to universal law of gravitation ஜெனரலா வந்து gravitational forceக்கான ஃபார்முலா is G capital M small m by R square. So on earth and consider பண்ணும்போது weight of the object on earth is nothing but gravitational force acting on the object is equal to G into mass of the earth, mass of the object by radius of the earth square. Similarly, moon la consider பண்ணோம் அப்படினா Wm, that is weight of the object in moon, that is equal to G into mass of the moon into mass of the object. Mass of the object remains the same even in earth and in moon. So that's why m value does not change. but radius of moon is Rm, so Rm square. So this is the formula for We and Wm. What is We? Weight of the object in earth. What is Wm? Weight of the object in moon. Okay, so the relation between these two, Wm by We, the weight of the object earth layum, weight of the object moon layum நம்ம compare பண்ண போறோம். So compare பண்ணோம்னா g small m லாம் cancel ஆயிட்டு இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு equation will get, and mass of the earth, mass of the moon, radius of earth and radius of moon, we know that substituting those values in this formula will get the values like this. After solving these two, we'll get the value like this, that is 0.165. Approximately that can be said to be 1 by 6. So what is Wm by We? That is equal to 1 by 6. So what is Wm? That is weight of an object in moon is equal to weight of the object in earth by 6. So see here, earth la ஒரு object ஓட weight 60 kilogram அப்படின்னு நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம், sorry 60 Newton அப்படின்னு நம்ம எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா that is equal to 60 Newton by 6. So that will give what? 10 Newton. So ஒரு பொருளோட weight earthல 60 Newton இருந்துச்சுன்னா moonல அதோட weight என்னவா இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் question இருக்கும். So அதுக்கு இந்த formula we should use We by 6, that is equal to 10 Newton. Okay, so moonல அந்த object ஓட weight வந்து 10 Newton இருக்கும். இதுவே ஒரு object ஓட weight 6 Newton in moon, what is the weight of that object in earth அப்படின்னு question கேட்டாங்கன்னா just cross multiply. So அப்ப 6 Newton into 6 will give We, that is equal to 36 Newton. அதாவது ஒரு பொருளோட weight மூன்ல வந்து 6 நியூட்டனா இருந்துச்சுன்னா earthல அதோட weight வந்து 36 நியூட்டனா இருக்கும். So அப்ப relation between weight of the object on moon as well as in earth நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிச்சுனா we can calculate the values. ஏதாவது ஒரு value தெரிஞ்சிச்சுனாலே we can calculate the another one value. Okay students, so this is the relation between mass and weight. Thank you students.